Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635 or 6009322 Bull, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Tamasa balai Sngi Pynlong da Nerie-Ncert naruk kasantrik haduk Khynnah leber arata posan kalong ka job de jing benta haduk lais pa ngot ki Khynnah Skul na keleng gejela jong ka tha jate lemingi rengtar ke jisna lang jong ki dong hikai ka Professor Floret G Dekhar kepada ke in charge principal jong ka Nerie klai thu ba ka thong ka ba khmat Pynlong ya kan ka Tamasa kalong ban plila di Khynnah Skul hagirin san no pher kana makinup tip kumno ban san ha ka bor perkhat perdan par ha ka bor met bor phan Hagas ni penkut ya kan ka Tamasa la samru igi sernat chi Khynnah Skul gi beshim benta hagirin san no pher
Please come forward quickly. Support your team. I request the resource person to introduce yourself. Group, please support your team. Please your
Yeah, I thought I had.
Please support them.
Yes, the explorer or the pioneers got the first point. The first bout won the pioneers. That is by Yui. Whereas Lakshanda will need to win twice to win this match.
Go! Stop!
Okay, there we have it. He's the winner from. Okay, the first bout.
Kabiang kabas lang kibara nampat ju experience ru experience ni. Kadeka somersault and arm wrestling dan tabat katuka painting. Kidan hi.
First of all, my name is Chirag Sharma. I am from Happy Child High School from Guwahati. The overall experience was very nice. Like I enjoyed a lot in this camp or workshop. I came to know across many things, new things. I explored new things and make new friends also. It was quite a very good experience. We enjoyed a lot. Like after the workshop also we made new friends. We used to talk in the park and all. So it was very good.
So what about you?
My name is Nikta Kumari and I'm from Meghalaya. Overall, it was a very good experience. I've learned a lot of things. I've learned sign language, fine arts, science, maths, and many more things, which I'm sure will help me in the future. And I'm also very happy that I have made many friends, which will be a very memorable experience for me. So overall, it was a very good festival, and I would like Nerie to hold this festival every year.
Hi, my name is Arpita Ram. I study in class 8 and I am a student of Police Welfare School. So I am here to represent Bambusa Library, Teju, Arunachal Pradesh. First of all, thanks to Dr. Melissa ma'am who gave me this chance to attend this wonderful program. So at first when I came here, I didn't know what's happening and what is going to happen. So after some time, we went to different stalls and we experienced a very unique and different skills. Like we learned many skills, and this experience was really unique. Like we got to learn sign language. Now I can remember all the alphabets in sign language, and it was very nice. And at our place we don't get this type of opportunities. Like we don't get to attend this type of programs. So I feel really lucky that I got this opportunity.
So
Got to learn martial arts. It was my favorite. I am interested in drama and painting, but in this program, I love martial arts.
The title of this program, as you know, is Nurturing Young Minds. So therefore, we have invited 300 schools children, and these children, they come from 4 states. In fact, we wanted all the children from all the 8 states to be here, but it was not possible. But anyway, we have a group now of 300 children. And all these children, for the past 3 days, they have been here with us and they have learned many things. And the approach that we use is experiential learning. And based on the feedback that I received from many of the students, this is the change that students want in their learning process. And I hope that whatever they have learned from here, they will be able to go back and they will be able to bring changes also in the learning process.